Okay, listen up. If your legs have been feeling weaker lately, this might be the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. You ever notice it's getting harder to climb stairs, stand for too long, or even get out of a chair without that little ugh sound? Yeah, that's not just age catching up. That's your body sending an SOS. See, weak legs aren't just a random part of getting older. They can mean your muscles are breaking down, your blood flow's slowing, or your nerves aren't firing right. And if you brush it off, it can spiral fast. We're talking balance problems, scary falls, even losing your independence. But here's the good news. It's not too late. Once you know what's behind it, you can actually rebuild that strength and move like yourself again. So today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60, and exactly what you can do to turn it around before it's too late. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. If your legs have been feeling weaker, or you're noticing that simple things, like getting up from a chair or walking to the mailbox, are starting to feel tougher, you're not imagining it. One of the biggest culprits is something called sarcopenia. Basically, the gradual loss of muscle as we age. Here's the wild part. This process actually starts way earlier than most people think, as early as your 30s. But once you hit 60, it's like pressing the fast-forward button. Without regular strength training, you can lose as much as 1/3 of your muscle mass by your 80s. And that doesn't just make you weaker, it affects everything from your balance to your energy levels. You might notice your thighs looking slimmer, your calves not as firm, or your legs feeling heavier after a short walk. Even small changes like that are your body waving a red flag. But here's the awesome news. You can absolutely fight back. Start simple. Body weight moves like chair squats, leg lifts, and resistance band exercises can help rebuild what's been lost. Combine that with protein-packed meals. Think lean chicken, eggs, fish, yogurt, nuts, and beans. And your muscles get the fuel they need to recover. And don't underestimate daily movement. Even a 10 to 15-minute walk around the block every day can make a massive difference. It keeps your muscles firing, your joints mobile, and your confidence sky high. But here's where it gets wild. Sometimes, weak legs aren't about muscle loss at all. There's something deeper happening in your circulation that most people don't even notice. Poor circulation, peripheral artery disease. All right, so picture this. You're walking across the grocery store parking lot, and suddenly your legs start to cramp or feel heavy. Maybe they even go a little numb or tingly. You stop, rest for a second, and it goes away. Sound familiar? That could be your body's way of saying your circulation needs help. Poor blood flow is one of the sneakiest reasons your legs start feeling weak. A big cause is plaque buildup in your arteries, something known as peripheral artery disease, or PAD. It basically means your arteries are narrowing, making it harder for blood and oxygen to reach your leg muscles. Without enough circulation, your legs tire out fast, feel cold, or even cramp up after just a short walk. And here's the scary part. If you ignore it, it can get serious. We're talking slow-healing wounds, painful swelling, or even infections that just don't want to go away. If your calves hurt when you walk but feel better when you sit down, that's a major red flag that your circulation might be compromised. The fix? Movement is your best friend. Even short, daily walks, whether it's around your living room, yard, or block, get your blood pumping again. Staying hydrated helps too. because dehydration makes your blood thicker and slows down circulation. Try keeping your salt intake low, especially if you deal with swelling. And don't sleep on the simple stuff like warm foot soaks, leg massages, or propping your feet up for a few minutes each day. And if that leg pain doesn't go away, definitely check in with your doctor. Untreated PAD can increase your risk of heart disease and strokes. But here's where things get even crazier. Sometimes, it's not your blood flow or your muscles at all. The real problem could be in your nerves, and it can make your legs feel totally unreliable. You ever get that weird tingling in your feet? Like pins and needles that won't quit? Or worse, like you're walking on a sponge? That might not just be bad circulation or sore muscles. It could actually be nerve damage, also known as peripheral neuropathy. This one hits way more people than you'd think. Almost 1 in 3 seniors deal with some form of it, especially those with diabetes or vitamin B12 deficiency. High blood sugar slowly damages the nerves that send messages from your brain to your legs. And when those nerves get messed up, your balance, strength, and even your sense of touch can all take a hit. Low levels of vitamin B12 make things worse because your nerves depend on it to stay healthy. Without it, your legs can start feeling weak, numb, or even like they're burning from the inside out. The longer it goes untreated, the more you risk losing coordination, which can lead to falls or serious injuries. Here's what helps. Start by keeping your blood sugar steady if you're diabetic, and add B12-rich foods like eggs, dairy, and leafy greens to your meals. Skip the heavy drinking. Alcohol messes with nerve health big time. Gentle leg and foot massages can also work wonders. They help improve circulation, stimulate nerve endings, and ease that constant discomfort. And if that tingling or numbness just won't go away, don't tough it out. Talk to your doctor. They can test your nerve health and help you get ahead of it before it gets worse. But here's the real twist. Sometimes, your legs feel weak, not because of your nerves or circulation, but because of something going on way higher up, in your spine. Here's something most people totally miss. Your leg strength actually starts in your back. Crazy, right? But it's true. Your spine is basically the main highway that connects your brain to your legs. When that communication line gets blocked by things like herniated discs, spinal stenosis, or even years of slouching, your legs can start feeling weak, tingly, or straight up unreliable. If you've ever felt pain shooting down one leg, numbness in your feet, or noticed one leg feeling weaker than the other, your spine might be the reason. When nerves get pinched or irritated, they send the wrong signals, or none at all. That's what causes that sharp pain or sudden loss of strength that seems to come out of nowhere. The good news is, you don't have to live with it. Start by keeping your back mobile with gentle stretches. Things like knee-to-chest pulls, seated spinal twists, and even light yoga moves can help relieve pressure on your lower back. Avoid sitting for hours on end. Long periods in a chair compress your spine and make things worse. If your job or lifestyle means lots of sitting, grab a lumbar support cushion and set a timer to get up and move every 30 minutes. Little habits like that protect your spine, and your legs will thank you for it. Because here's the kicker. Even if your back and nerves are fine, your legs can still betray you if your electrolytes are out of balance. And when that happens, the results can be downright shocking. You ever bolt upright in bed from a leg cramp that hits like lightning? Yeah, those middle-of-the-night Charlie horses aren't random. Most of the time, they're your body's way of screaming, "Hey, I'm running low on minerals." Your muscles rely on electrolytes, especially magnesium and potassium, to fire and relax the way they're supposed to. When those levels drop, your legs can spasm, twitch, or feel weak and shaky out of nowhere. Low potassium can even mess with your heartbeat, while low magnesium can drain your energy and make you anxious. And it's surprisingly easy to fall short. Things like dehydration, diuretics, or just not eating enough nutrient-rich foods can throw your electrolytes off balance fast. The fix is simple though. Eat potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, and avocados, and get magnesium from almonds, beans, dark chocolate, and whole grains. Oh, and don't underestimate hydration. Water helps those minerals actually reach your muscles. If you deal with night cramps, try soaking your legs in a warm Epsom salt bath before bed. The magnesium seeps through your skin, calming your muscles and easing those jolts that keep you up at night. At the end of the day, weak legs aren't just an inconvenience, they're your body waving a red flag. Whether it's muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve issues, spine trouble, or mineral imbalance, the good news is every one of these can be improved with small, consistent changes. So move every day. Even 5 minutes helps. Eat real, protein-packed meals. Stay hydrated, check your posture, and don't ignore what your body's trying to tell you. Do that, and you'll keep your legs strong, steady, and ready for whatever life throws your way.